Hi guys, in this video I'm going to discuss about unpivoted operator in Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio. So in my last video I discussed about pivot operator. So pivot operator is used to turn rows into columns. So unlike pivot operator, so unpivoted operator used to turn columns into rows. So see at here, this is the examples of the pivoted operator. So at here, so let's see the table and records. So this is at here or pivoted. So this is the actual or table pivot underscore tab. And after writing this query, so this query I'm using at here pivot operator. So at here select name. So name is the columns of or pivot underscore tab or table. So see at here name and you have to this is the on pivoted sorry. So this is the pivoted column. So add here this comes from there. So add here I'm using pivot operator. So add here this is the aggregator function and here the columns. So aggregator function sum and here I'm passing the sales columns from there and you have to for year. So year inside year you have you get add here 2010 11 12. So that I've given add here 2010 11 12. So after giving this values, so this value add here, this value and this value both are add here match. So if the values match, so you get the expected output. So add here, or this is now 2010, 2012, 2011. So add here, this value is now in inside the year 2010, 11, 12. So this is now converted into columns. So this is the row value. So by using pivot operators, you can convert row value into column. So unlike these things, so unpivot columns, so convert at here whatever the year sales name. So you can convert these things, this column into rows. So see at here, this is my table on pivot. So this inside to on pivot. So this is my columns name India, China, US. And here I've written this query. So name is the actual columns on pivot or table. So this table and here this is now comes from this point. So see at here country. So inside country and here money. So unpivoted columns. So inside the country in India, China, US. So if you execute this query, so see at here or inside the country here it's displaying India, China and US. So let's give at here in capital. So at here I've given the four country in and here India, China, US. So that here in this country columns the value is now it's coming India, China, US. So if you give add here only India, China, so it will enter only in country columns. So India, China only. So if you give add here India, China, US, UK. So let's see what happened. So add here UK doesn't exist. So that inside the country column. So if you see add here, there's no any columns. UK is there. So that here I'm getting the error message. So if you give add here inside to name, so see what happened. So say add here I have already taken name. So add here this is the ambiguous because add here in on pivoted operator I'm using name and this name already exists. So name is the actual columns. So add here in this place you cannot keep the same things. So let's add here remove. So if you give add here or like if you remove add here name, then you can enter. So let's enter add here name. Now this will find. So let's execute that. So but add here the type of column name conflicts with the type other specified unpivoted columns. So add here inside the pivoted columns like tabs here. So this is the envar and here integer. So see at here US is integer, China integer here. This is considered as an integer. So this is the things I'm getting the error message. So data must be same. At here the conflict name, the type of column is specified unfit line. So this is the things. So let's give at here name. Now here, so this inside the country you receive this value India, China, and US. So there is one more column is money. So add here money. So add your money inside money. I'm not doing anything. So directly it's the value come. So see add here what the value. So add here inside this value is now add here this value India, China in mic whatever the value is there. So it's displaying. So here if you want to if you give add here money one. So let's see what happened. So getting the error message invalid column because these twos are on pivoted columns and here the name must be same money country whatever the things that must be same. So this is the things about unpivoted columns. So by using unpivoted columns so it turns column into rows. So at here this was the columns India, China, US. So this was the columns here India, China and US and see at here India. So this is the integer value inside the name there is a string value so that when I put at here name so at here the error message was displaying type error message. So name is at here a string here numeric values. So you must consider when you are giving at here when you are passing the values so that must be same data type and here money. So these are the things here. So unpivoted columns, when you want to convert columns into rows, so you should use unpivot operator at here. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now in this video it's over. So thanks for watching. See you next video. Thank you.